Yeah, I bet. That moved great.
I felt good.
Yeah. All right. Right there, Alex. Relax those shoulders. Good. Breath in and out right there. Good. All the way out there, Alex. Good. Great. I bet.
That was it.
One more. You ready? Breath in. Good. Chin up. Look at that wall in front of you. Hair all the way out. Good. There we go. In general, been you been doing better though?
Yeah, it has been.
Good. Especially right there,
That
right?
spot really hurt.
You ready? We got one more right there.
Okay.
It's gonna be a little tender. I know. No fun, right?
Yeah.
Good. You are all set now, Alex.